Hello internet friends, in this video I am continuing to work on the left fuel tank stiffeners. Wait, no. Yep, left fuel tank stiffeners. So while that might have looked like a completed tank, it was not. I was drilling out a rivet that I did not like. So here we go. Let's make a mess and do Pro Seal. Why am I using my phone while I'm mixing Pro Seal? That is danger. Yeah, don't do that. Don't be me. You don't want a Pro Seal phone. It won't work good. No work good phone after you put Pro Seal on it. Let's see, I'm still catching up on videos. This one is probably a week and a half old. I had some work travel, was in Hawaii. Let me talk about Hawaii, going to Hawaii for work. It sounds fun, but it's really not. You basically get on the airplane and fly for 6 hours to go to work. I mean, and being in Hawaii is cool. You get to eat some Hawaiian food and then go to the beach, and then you get to go back on the airplane, fly back home for 6 hours. You basically waste, I don't know, 2 days of traveling to do one meeting or 2 or 3 or however many meetings you line up, right? It's like, yeah, having to travel for work and change time zones is not super fun. I did take 2 of the teenagers though, and they seemed to enjoy it. So, we did go a day early and we did the Kualoa Ranch Jurassic Park tour, which was really cool. That was a lot more fun than I expected it to be. So if you're ever on Oahu, just go to the Kualoa Ranch Jurassic Park UTV tour. It's worth it, especially if you take the kids. Alright, so I learned a couple of lessons from the other tank. I don't want to say more Pro Seal is better, because it's not, but more Pro Seal applied in the correct places is better. Getting a little wider with my fillets, being a little more aggressive about making sure there's no holes for fuel to escape. I think Fuel Tank 2.0 will be much better. I definitely learned some techniques, just like everything else. Like when you first start riveting on an airplane, just put that part aside for a year and then go back a year later and you'll be horrified at what your initial skill capability was. In fact, I'm pretty sure I went and rebuilt my rudder and vertical stabilizer, maybe just the vertical stabilizer, because I was not happy with the quality that I achieved initially. Okay, talking about quality achieved initially, come join our Slack group. The QR codes will pop up here. There you go. I don't know what that has to do with quality. I lied. I'm just trying to make a transition to talk through this video, but if you scan the QR codes, you will join our chats. No one's in the Discord yet. Maybe you could be the one that makes Discord happen. So scan that one anyway, but also scan the Slack one because that's where everyone is. And I will see you there and see you in the next video.